curtains closed. Midday feels like midnight, coffee cold, half-smoked thoughts on the bedside, phone face down, all my friends in another life, breathing in like I'm borrowing somebody's time. Feels like rain is falling inside, dripping through the walls of my mind. Every room flooded in quiet. It feels like I'm dead inside. Yeah, it feels like I'm dead inside. Sink full of plates, I keep adding instead of watching blue TV haze. Talking at me, never talking. I wear the same shirt till the week just blurs and slides. Laugh in the mirror, but it never reaches my eyes. Oh, feels like rain is falling inside, tripping through the walls of my mind. Everyone in flooded in quiet. It feels like I'm dead inside. If I scream into a pillow, would anyone hear the echo? If I finally open up, would it scare you if you saw? Touch my wrist, count to 10. There's a pulse, I'm here. Feels like rain is falling inside, dripping through the walls of my mind. Every room flooded in quiet. It feels like I'm dead inside. Yeah, it feels like I'm dead inside.